Hello everyone, our today's topic is portrait head illustration. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Pencil, eraser, poster colors, brushes, palette, masking tape, A4 size drawing paper. First we are going to stick this paper on a board with the masking tape from all the four sides. Take 4 finger distance from the upper sides. Then we are going to draw on a head for our model. We already learned on a portrait head study proportions from the front view. So you need to draw the lines for the nose, eyebrows, eyes, lips, and now we are going to add on the features of the model so that we can properly draw on a head or a portrait of this model. Everybody has a different shape of the eyebrows, nose, eyes, and depend on these features we can identify the peoples. Some peoples has a thick eyebrows, some peoples has a narrow eyebrows, some has a bold nose, some has a pointed nose, and because of these different shapes and the size of the features we can identify the peoples. First we are going to draw on a drawing very lightly while we are arranging a drawing on a paper, and then we are going to finalize with the 2B or the 4B pencils. Here I am going to arrange in a drawing on a paper, that's why I am draw lightly so that if you goes wrong somewhere you can erase it, and then I am going to finalize with the 4B pencils. This is our drawing of the head. Now we add some more details and features on this head, some dimensions, some light dark tones dimensions we are going to add. Because it is an illustration we are not going to add more details in it. We just adding 3 dimensions here, only 3 tones of the colors, but not on a full face, some parts of the heads. And now erase unnecessary lines to start on a coloring. Now here we start on a coloring. I am taking 6 number flat brush for the skin tone application. I am using a fresh tint color, but not directly a fresh tint color. I am adding slight amount of red color in the skin tone. If you don't have fresh tint color, you can use red, yellow ochre and white combination. Now we are adding some red color more to show the dimensions in between the eyes and nose depth. Also at the partition of the head and the neck, this depth also we show with the dark tone, and below the nose we show the dimensions. For the t-shirts I am taking orange color. Now we are taking round brush, 6 number round brush, and with the brown color I am applying on a shades for the eyebrow. You can use on a green and brown combinations also, but here I am applying on the first applications of the color. Afterward we add some dimensions and shades by adding some green colors. Now I am taking slightly smaller brush for some details and the features of the head. I am taking 2 number brush to show the dark shades to highlight some features, and for that I am taking brown plus blue combination, and then we adding some shades of this tone also by adding some white and yellow color. For the lips I am taking a pinkish color, crimson red plus white. Now I am taking 8 number round brush for the applying on the hair colors. First we apply brown color. Mostly the hairs are the black, but this is an illustration so you can use different colors. Brown, slight amount of green color in it. Now add slight amount of blue color in it to get a darkened tone. We are not directly using a black color, that's why I am taking a combinations of brown and blue color that you already know. So I am showing two shades of the colors here, light and a dark. Only this much details and the shades we are going to show on these portrait illustrations. Now we are going to trace this drawing with the zero number brush and the shade, our darkened shade, brown and blue combination shade. So we can highlight all the features, and now these portraits and all these features are come out from this paper. Also we adding some details on the t-shirts as well as on the hairs. This is our portrait illustration. Finally we are showing highlights with a white color, and now I am going to remove this masking tape. I hope you understand the demonstrations. Now you can make your own head illustration also. Thank you for watching. Best of luck.